Hey, what's good, Panda Family? You know, it's your boy Panda, straight from Panda Vlogs. And today, we're back here with another Thoughtful Tuesdays. Now, today's Thoughtful Tuesday is not going to be different, but over the weekend, I was cleaning out a room there um, that my father used to reside in. If you didn't know, my father is no longer with me anymore. Rest in peace, Ezra Gray Sr. And he had a book where he kept some of his thoughts and so forth, etc., which I came upon. So I took two pictures out of that book, you know what I mean? With a few quotes that I thought I would share with you all as Thoughtful Tuesdays progresses. And they are in no particular order. And some may be his words and some may be words of inspiration that he got from somewhere else. But I'm going to share this thought with you today. One of them goes, winners don't quit and quitters don't win. Very self-explanatory, right? Basically what I'm getting from that, if you have something, you have a goal in life, set out. You understand? Something you want to do, something you want to achieve. Never stop. Never stop until you get it done. And when you get it done, aspire to do something else as well. You know what I mean? Never get complacent in life. Never get complacent in life. If you quit, hey, that's your loss. You know what I mean? That means you never really wanted it that bad in the first place. I had a phone call, I think it's last week or maybe week before, from someone that, I hold a very high respect for. And he called me um, in regards to, we talk about different things, but he reassured me that, listen to me, Panda, anything you do in life, it's not about people. People not in the picture, people not in the equation. Is you. Everyone have their own path and journey to follow. So even thinking about mentioning people doesn't make any sense. You understand? And big up yourself, Carla. Much respect, much love every time. The person who it is, no need to call a name. Every choice you make in life to better yourself is a personal choice. It has nothing to do with your mother, nothing to do with your father, nothing to do with your cousins, your family, your best friend, you know what I mean, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Anything you choose to do in life is on you. It's a very personal choice. Some may be with it, some maybe not. And you see, there may go again. I talk about people. After me just saying enough I talk about people. You understand? Anyway, to finish it off, deal with yourself. Focus on yourself. You understand? Boom. Panda. I'm out.